हैव यू एवर हर्ड दिस फ्रेज, एक गंदी मछली पूरे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है? दैट्स एक्चुअली ट्रू। एंड इस कहानी में वो गंदी मछली हम खुद ही हैं। हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स और हमारे कोई भी डेटिंग लाइफ, लव लाइफ या कोई लड़की को ब्लेम करके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होने वाला। ये चीज़ें क्यों नहीं काम करती? क्योंकि देर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स इन आवर माइंडसेट विच वी कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग विद एवरी सिंगल पर्सन। हम गंदी मछली, हम जिस भी तालाब में जाते हैं उसको गंदा कर देते हैं। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द 5 बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक्स वी मेक विद गर्ल्स। दैट इज द रीजन इवन आफ्टर शी बिकमिंग हर गर्लफ्रेंड शी नेवर स्टेज विद अस। लेट्स गो। Yeah, welcome back guys. So without wasting too much of time, I'm going to tell you 5 biggest mistakes we guys make with girls, and if you keep on making these mistakes with every single girl, there is not a chance in hell that she is going to stay happy with you even if she marries you. Mistake number 1, if she is in a relationship with you or either you are dating, बहुत spicy चीजें चल रही हैं स्टार्टिंग में, so the point is people have this tendency that when things are going great, let's increase the ratio. No, I am talking about talking every day. You keep on talking every day because this is what you have been shown in movies and TV shows. But if you keep on talking every day, good morning, good night, ये वो इधर उधर की बातें, you have to talk to her for half an hour, 1 hour every day. This have to mentality fucks up your brain, fucks up your relationship. This have to, I have to. Why do you talk to her? Not because you like talking to her, because you have a fear of losing her. And till you have this mentality, you will never win her heart. Crush this mentality. Second biggest mistake men make is over feelings. That is premature, not ejaculation, premature confession and feelings. My policy is, and I teach you these things in Just Explain Women's Brain. It's one of my basic workshop, and that is a very basic rule I have. I just never propose anybody. I never confess feelings until or unless I get a hint from her in some way or another. So the point is, premature feelings are always going to turn a girl off, and this is something you again learned from movies and TV shows कि किसी एक्टर ने तुम्हें मूवी और टीवी शो में दिखा रखा है कि भाई उसने फीलिंग्स जब कन्फेस की तो लड़की के दिल में फीलिंग्स आ गई, बट ऐसा नहीं होता। तुम्हारी फीलिंग्स से लड़की की फीलिंग्स का कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं होता। तुम्हारी फीलिंग्स तुम्हारी है। तो लड़की को जब फीलिंग आएगी वो खुद आएगी तुम्हारे पास, तुम्हें हिंट देना शुरू कर देगी, एंड जिस दिन तुम्हें ये मेंटालिटी समझ में आ जाएगी, यू ओनली हैव टू फोकस ऑन डेटिंग हर। ऑलराइट, थर्ड बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक मेन मेक इज ट्राइंग टू चेज हर. This chasing mentality screws up with you. Let me tell you that. When you try to chase her all the time, chasing का मतलब क्या है? For example, मैसेज हमेशा तुम ही करते हो, कॉल हमेशा तुम ही करते हो. मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि वो अच्छी तरह बात नहीं करती. The problem is कि when you call and message, she never initiates herself. Maybe once in a month or maybe on your birthday, but she actually is not habitual to initiate you because you're creating a habit of you only initiating her and she just has to reply. Even if she's talking to you nicely, while you chase her, while you talk to her, the point is तब भी कोई बहुत अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे तुम, क्योंकि वो तो कुछ नहीं कर रही ना. You are only chasing her. You are texting her, she is giving you one word answer. You are again texting her, she is giving you answer after 3-4 hours. But even if प्यार से भी बात कर रही हो, अगर वो जेन्युइनली भी बिजी है तो तुम क्यों नहीं हो बिजी अपनी लाइफ में? तुम क्यों उसके पीछे पड़े हुए हो? And once you stop chasing girls and rather letting girls chase you, your life is going to change. Mistake number 4 which guys make, they never have this capability or the ability or even the mindset to think of testing her. See, women are going to shit test you. In our dating community, it's called shit test. Women are going to test you. If you're being too nice to her, she's going to test you. If you're being too bad to her, she's going to test you. If you're being too good to be true, she is going to test you. But the point is, we men don't have this ability or a natural sense to test women because we are too scared to lose girls. That is the reason why should I test her. But subconsciously, when you think of testing a girl, you never lose that girl. See, the point is, I would rather test her before only that how much interested she is in me rather than only me being interested in her. I'll give you an example. For example, if it is a long distance relationship, now I'm not talking about just dating, I'm talking about even in your relationships as well. For example, I'm in a long distance relationship and it is always me who goes to her city to meet her, and when I ask her to come, she becomes a very little girl. Oh my god, मैं छोटी बच्ची हूँ, मैं थोड़ी अकेली आ सकती हूँ, लेकिन तुम आ सकते हो. एंड आई एम अज्यूमिंग तुम सेम एज के हो. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, तुम उसकी ओवर सिक्योरिटी के चक्कर में उसको टेस्ट ही नहीं करते कि भाई तू भी किसी दिन फ्लाइट पकड़ के इधर आ. आई डोंट केयर इफ यू डोंट अर्न. अपने मम्मी पापा से अरेंज कर, बिकॉज इफ शी हैज टू गो टू गोवा, बैंगलोर और एनीवेयर टू ट्रैवल and she is not earning, she will arrange the money, right? So I like to test girls to see वो क्या करती है तुम्हारे लिए. and जिस दिन ये mentality समझ में आ जाएगी, तुम्हारे सारे relationships और तुम्हारा self worth सुधरने लग जाएगा. Alright, fifth and the biggest mistake men make because of this needy behavior and stupid nice guy self worth nonsense they have, they keep on creating big issues of small things. Anything small happens in their life, they start creating big issues out of it. And as much as you like creating it because you want her validation, for example, you did anything for her and you did not get good compliments from her for the things you did for her because you were expecting too much out of the things you did for her. It will never lead to a happy relationship or fulfillment in your life because you are just from a getting mentality. You are not a giver. You are just giving that person because you want something out of her. And this goes both ways, to be very honest. And if you keep on doing that, if you keep on making issues out of something, कि just because she talked to a guy, you'll again make an issue. Just because she did not call you within 5 seconds of your message, you'll again make an issue. Just because she said something that she got a dream of some other guy, you'll again make an issue. Her dreams are not in her control. So you have this habit of making issue out of everything, and that will also irritate her. Even if she is your girlfriend or wife, she'll leave you, break up with you or divorce you. That is the reason these big celebrities at the end of the day divorce, because these men who seem to be confident from outside because they are our idol, they themselves in their relationship are needy. Alright, avoid these mistakes, and if you really want to go to the next level, join my course. It's 500 rupees, nothing too much, but it's a big game changer. 12 hours training, day 1, day 2, day 3. You will find the details below, and there is a link of my app, Just Explains, in Play Store also. There are some few videos and few content. Go check it out, join my course. I'll meet you on the other side. Till then, next time we are going to meet with some new topic and with some new learnings only on Just Explains. See you all.